The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video I'm going to talk to you about two videos that are circulating on social media. But before I present any of those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Now it had came to my attention that a member of the Jamaica Defense Force within the country of Jamaica fainted during a ceremonial opening of Parliament within the country of Jamaica. It is said that this happened outside of Garden House, that is within Kingston, Jamaica, and it is said that this happened on the 18th of February the year 2021. Now there's a video circulating on social media about this whole thing where it is said that a member of the Jamaica Defense Force fainted during a ceremonial opening of Parliament within the country of Jamaica. And I'm going to present that video to you so that you can get an understanding as to what happened, alright? Now, before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Now, I did some research to see if I could find out the medical condition of the Jamaica Defense Force member who fainted, but however, I got no confirmed information about the Jamaica Defense Force member's medical condition. You understand me? However, I hope he's okay and I hope he's alright, is what I'm saying to you. And you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. And with that, I'm going to move on to the other video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a person who did something that I called an amazing card trick. You see me? There's not much I'm going to say about this video, viewers and subscribers, but I'm going to present the video to you and I want you to take a look at this video and tell me how you think this person had done this card trick. You see me? Yeah. Tell me, how did he do that? You see me? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Look at next one here, fellas. Look at next one here. I did that shit, man. I did that shit, man, boy. I freed him from tonight, boy. I'm not going to buy no more dashing from him ever again.
Look again, look over Charles, go pick out how much cat. Pick out any amount of cat. Between 1 and 10. You can throw how much, pick out between 1 and 10.
Me?
Yeah, between 1 and 10.
7.
7 cat, right?
Yeah.
No, that's yours. I want you without watching, pick out 7 cat and you put it in. Any way you want in the pack, you put 7 cat.
Any 7 cat?
Any 7 cat face on it.
Face up or face down?
Face. No, you have to face it down. I don't want to see it.
No, he don't want to see it.
You can see that from any way.
1.
You don't take it from the top, you know.
3.
You can take from half of the
Anyway.
You can take from the bottom.
It doesn't matter for that, I am.
Alright, oh, you're going to shuffle, so you're good there, right? Next.
5, 6. Watch it there, fellas.
So we happy there, right?
Daddy local Crescent Jolly.
So,
Right.
next. So let me see if I can find all these cards without watching it.
Like
right?
2 different packs, eh?
Right,
If
so-
all the watches, 2 different color
See if I can
packs.
find that card first.
2 different color packs. The thing is that you see is how to get rid of them. Look, he don't match one already.
Okay, that's all. Right. We gotta watch the card to go foot to the back price. So I think we gotta look for the next one looking like that. here. I figure. This feel like a king, but we are sure. Let's make sure. Let's make sure.
Fellas, the card them mark, eh? What the cards? None of the cards them mark. What the fuck going on in here, boy? This man bringing zombie on here. I'm going home upside down tonight, yes?
I figure I'll look good, right? Oh, never. I should put that in. So, right, so be desperate. I want to find them. I want to find that kind of thing. This feeling like a next king. I don't believe it. Don't worry, watch me. I'll just show you. It's not that one.
The fuck, boy? Wait! What the ass is this, man?
It's not that one. I just making sure. And you see this cat could be a queen, but it's not this one either. It could be this one. Just watch, just take a peek, eh? Just take a peek. Just making sure that is it.
Yes, I see here, boy. Nah, boy. Nah, boy. Nah, they not train like different books, but they not nothing to understand.
You don't need to understand it. You just need to watch it.
Watch
you
it.
just need to watch it and live it one at a time. Oh, no, baby. I think I saw it.
Fellas,
I look like it, eh?
the 2-pack deal up, eh?
Yeah? Yeah, that look like it.
He can't tell because it flipped.
No.
He done put card underneath.
Because me know what it is, so I can't say.
Right.
I mean, yeah, I know what it is. I will tell you what it is. So we
So
go
right.
play.
Right.
So before we watch it,
Yeah.
I go just tell you.
2-pack card deal up, fellas. And
So-
the Monday.
So this is 10 of clubs.
Die 10 o'clock.
Right, so you flip yours, I go flip mine. Let me see if you correct, okay?
He
Right, so
fuck, I
the
see.
first one, Now, I think I swear this was Queen of Dimes, so I believe you supposed to have Queen of Dimes too. We'll make sure.
Yeah, really fuck going on here.
Right. This is our king. This is our king too.
You want to check this?
But what king it is?
Wait, think what kind of thing it is?
Bah, sure, I think it's King of Hearts. I wonder if you had the same thing, right? Yeah, man, I think Now,
Fuck, boy.
we have a deuce, a 3, a next king, and a 9.
You don't know that card?
Yeah, so this could be a deuce. This could be a deuce and all too.
Really fuck.
We're going on that. This could be a 9. 9 of clubs. I want to do 9 of clubs here too, right?
Really ass.
This could be a 3. Could be 3 of clubs. Could be 3 of clubs. This could be a next king. The brother to this one. Right next to it is spades. So I should have king of spades here.
Time for you to go shut up. Pack up them card and leave.
Now, boy.
I said to leave.
Mr. Martin, now,
Leave.
now, boy.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there's only one thing we can think about when it comes down to this card trick, isn't it? Only one thing. I am wondering if this person fixed those packs of cards. You see me? Yeah, I'm wondering that. And when I say fixed those packs of cards, I mean like the cards have been set away where he's able to find certain cards in those packs of cards. That's the only thing we can think about. You see me? I said to you? And I really love your subscribers. You have some persons out there, you know. They're very skilled when it comes on to card tricks, you know. You see me? You have persons out there who will fix a pack of cards and shuffle it, and still they are able to find the card that they are looking for. Seriously, no joking thing. You see me? I said, yeah, and you know, I think it is amazing though, you know. I think this trick is amazing, you know. And I really not go try to discredit someone for something that has been done amazing. I think it is amazing. So big up and respect to the person shown in the video who did the card trick. You understand? Alright, so if you can tell me how you think the person do the card trick, you can tell me, alright? And I hear some, I'm gonna leave it because I can't think of nothing else. You see me I say? Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.